In the beginning, there are boundaries and limitations. Man has to be wedged. Hindi pwedeng palayain lang ang tao because freedom is dangerous. Freedom can be dangerous. Boundaries and limitations, they give protection. Talaga namang una, bata ka, nakakainis. Bakit bawal to, bawal yan. Di natin maintindihan, akala natin. Hinihinder sa atin yung kasiyahan natin o kaya withhold yung kasiyahan natin. Pero may boundaries and limitation na sa ating buhay para bigyan tayo ng protection. Pero pag alam mo kasi yung puso ng Diyos, maiintindihan, maa-appreciate mo kung ba't pala niya pinagbabawal yun. Kaya, wag na natin sanang gawin pa kung ano yung ginawa ni Adan at Eva. Natin try pa nila na mag-disobey. Appreciate. Not just obey God's boundaries and limitations, but appreciate it. Thank God for it.